Hi! To set up your Samsung Galaxy A14, as a first step, we would need to click on this big blue button that you can see on the screen. After this, we would need to select the language that you would like to use your phone in future. So I'll leave it here English and then click Next. As a next step, we would need to check out some privacy policy and also agree to end user license agreement. So we would need to select this first option, and the second one is agreeing to sending diagnostic data, but this one is optional, so I would leave it like this and click Next. As the next step, we are getting suggested to do a easy setup with another device, which can be iPhone or even Android device, but I'll choose setup manually. And as a next step, we are also getting suggested to choose a Wi-Fi network that we would like to connect to, but we can also do it later, so I'll click Skip. And also, as a next step here, we can see the date and time, and here we would need to double check if this information that you can see here is right or not. In my situation, yes, everything's correct, so I'll click just Next. As a next step, we would need to choose what of the Google services we would like to use on our phone. So I'll disable the usage and diagnostic data and leave the location and scanning. So here we click Accept. And as a next step, we are getting suggested to protect our phone with the help of lock screen, which can be password pattern or PIN code, and also biometrics, which is face recognition and fingerprints. But I'll also do it a little bit later, so I'm clicking Skip. As a next step here, we got Samsung service permission. You can read it right here, and after this, click Agree. Now we would need to choose our display mode. As you can see, we got two options, which is light and also dark, and you can see the difference right on the screen. I prefer the dark one, so I'll leave it like this. And this is it. We are now all set up. We can click this finish button, and after a few whiles, we would be able to start using our Samsung Galaxy A14. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.